Seedance 2 inside Artlist can generate full multi-shot cinematic scenes from a single prompt, but the real test is whether you can chain those scenes together into something that actually feels like a film with consistent characters and scenes. So in this video, I'm creating 2 connected moon landing sci-fi scenes using 1 astronaut reference image and 1 previous generated clip, and a story that leads to an alien portal hidden on the yet unexplored far side of the moon. So I came up with this idea because it was inspired by the Artemis 2 moon flyby and what might happen when they actually land on the far side of the moon. Right, so I used ChatGPT a lot to help with the story arc, the character generation, and the prompt for each of the individual cinematic scenes. Now I came up with a broader 7-scene sci-fi story arc, but for this video I'm just building 2 scenes combining these 4 parts here. Now, instead of writing a loose prompt and hoping the model figures it out, I'm using a cinematic prompt structure that tells it exactly how the scene should unfold shot by shot, with the camera angles, the focal lengths and movement and pacing, so it feels more like a real film scene rather than just a random AI clip. And here is that template that I call the treatment template. Now, scene 1 is the setup. Essentially, while conducting a routine solitary survey on the far side of the moon, an astronaut discovers a massive, partially buried ancient alien portal emitting a strange energy pulse. The scene concludes with the astronaut stunned by the impossible discovery, which is reflected in his visor. So we now combine the treatment template with the actual scene idea itself and combine them together to create the prompt. And this is the prompt that we now put into Artlist to create our first scene. Now, a bit earlier I used ChatGPT to help me build the prompt to put into Artlist to create the actual reference image of the astronaut. I made sure that the astronaut has a sensor in his hand, which is a key part of the story. So let's go and do that now. Okay, so we take that prompt that ChatGPT made for us of the astronaut character, complete with all the props, select Nano Banana Pro, paste in the prompt, choose 3 images and send it off. The images came back. I didn't like this one because it was a montage. This one's front on and doesn't show too much. This one's great because we have the Earth and the sun in the background, and we can clearly see the scanner here. So now that becomes our base model of the astronaut, so we'll download that and move on to the next step. Real quick, to try out the power of Seedance 2, get started with Artlist today using my promo link in the description and pinned comment below for max discount and extra free credits. From here we can move on to the video step, so let's click video here, and we're going to use Seedance 2.0. We're going to get rid of this prompt and paste in the prompt we created a little bit earlier. We're going to select 16:9. We're going to change this out to 15 seconds. We'll keep audio checked. Now I've got in the prompt not to put music in there. We can put that in a little bit later. And we've got our reference images already. So from here we can just go ahead and generate. And let's come back when that's done. Okay, with that first generation, the first part of the scene looked really good. The ending, however, made it too obvious that the portal was there. It's not something that kind of got found. So I made an adjustment to the prompt and I'm going to run another generation to hopefully make that portal a little bit more hidden. So here is that prompt. I'll send it off and see what we come back with after this one. Okay, great. That one's much better. It's shown that the astronaut is scanning and searching and he's come across this hidden light. What is that light, I wonder? Adjusting that prompt to make it so that the portal was hidden and that it was something that he had to find was the key thing that outputted this scene to be exactly how I wanted it. Now we move on to the most important part of this demo, is creating the second prompt, creating the second scene and seeing how well we can link these 2 scenes together with character consistency and prop consistency. So we're just going to download that to the hard drive and come on back into ChatGPT. And I already had the prompt for the second scene created, but I just want to make a couple of adjustments based on how the end of that first scene finished. The main one being that the crevice slowly widens until it forms a doorway side, whereas my original prompt had it as an already open doorway. This is why I put in this little continuity filler here. And we combine the treatment with the story to give us our full prompt. Okay, we'll select this prompt. As a filmmaker by trade, I can tell you that the interface between 2 different scenes needs to be carefully constructed to make sure that one scene flows into the next. So coming back into the AI video generator, we'll keep that reference image and just upload the video that we've just created and choose it from our creations, which is this one here. Okay, so we have the reference image and the reference video. We have the prompt. Let's see if Artlist can use Seedance 2 to create another scene that's going to match perfectly with the first scene using this reference image and the reference video. Generate that and let's come back when it's done. Okay, the video's in. Let's play it out. Okay, overall the scene is linking nicely to the end of the first scene and we have the astronaut descending down, the rock opening up to reveal the portal. And in the very last moment, you can see that human-like shadow in the background. So it's given me exactly what I wanted in the first take. So that's fantastic. Now, just talking a little bit more about the continuity here. So the last shot of the last scene showed a close-up of the astronaut with the reflection of the portal. So we've cut back to a wide to maybe just give us a bit of breathing room. And the next shot is showing him descending down with that faint glow still in the reflection. Moving on to the next part, we see him slipping down and gripping onto the scanner to see a closer view of the portal, which opens up in his visor, and a couple of shots back and forth between him and the portal, and then we close on that very short glimpse of the character on the other side of the portal. We've got two scenes that match perfectly together, and I'm now looking forward to creating the next scene in this sequence. What do you think is going to happen with the being on the other side of this portal? Pricing gets started with the AI starter pack for just 20 Australian dollars, which is about 14 US dollars per month, or go AI professional for about 106 US dollars a month to get those extra credits. As mentioned before, use my promo link in the description and pin comment below for max discounts and extra free credits. Watch this video next to see how to create your own AI avatar clone free using HeyGen. Also, subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you there.